What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how to farm MemeCoin. MemeCoin is actually made by MemeLand, and MemeLand, if you don't know, very successful project. They already launched multiple NFT collections starting with MVPs, potatoes, captains, and now they launched MemeCoin. So MemeCoin still can be farmed. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. But before I show you that, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research. So if we go to their MemeCoin Twitter page, as you can see right here, this is their website, memecoin.org, and at the time of recording they have 2.3 million followers. So there's a lot of people are actually grinding and trying to farm meme coins. So we need to press on memecoin.org website, and in here there's going to be a couple different options. You can look at the tokenomics, timeline, about, but what we're going to be doing is farming. So we just need to press on farming, and then in here what we need to do first before we can start, we need to connect our Twitter or X account, and then we're also going to have to connect our wallet. So let's connect really quick, and in here we need to press on authorize app. Once it's authorized, just by connecting, you're already going to be getting 690 coins. And I'm not entirely sure if each coin means each token or exactly the way how it's going to distribute it. But this is the things that you can do to get as many coins as possible. Just press on yay, I'm rich. And once you do that, there's also a bunch of other steps you need to do. And for each step, you're going to be getting so many points or coin or whatever that is. And as you can see, tell the world, this is basically to tweet out, link your wallet account, refer a friend, follow MemeLand, follow 9gag, follow GM Show Official, and then follow Char. And then there's actually a few other things gonna unlock after you're gonna complete all those tasks. And then the biggest one, if you're gonna add that to your name, then you'll get the biggest amount of tokens. And let's just do a couple here. Like for example, follow MemeLand, open it up, press on follow, new page is gonna appear, and then right here just press on follow, and then once you go back you can click on collect reward, and it's gonna give you all the rewards that it's offering, and then yay, I'm rich, and just keep on doing until you're gonna be able to complete all the tasks, and then keep following them on Twitter or just come back over here to see if they're gonna be unlocking more tasks to complete. And this is pretty much it. Once you're gonna complete all the tasks, most likely you'll have like 11,000 tokens or coin, and I'm not 100% sure this is counts as like meme points, and I'm not sure if this is gonna exactly convert into meme tokens or not. If it is, this is gonna be a decent amount of money, because at the time of recording this video, if we go to CoinGecko to see how much it's worth, at the time of recording this video, each token worth 2.7 cents. So again, like I stated earlier, I'm not sure if each point is considered as a token or not, but this is just speculations. And then one more thing I want to show you, refer a friend. So for example, if you know somebody who owns a captain, what you can do, you can put their captain ID or MVP ID or potato ID. But if you don't know anybody, what you do, you can just come over here and type any number from 1 to 9,999, because that's how many captains are there. Let's say 9876, and then I have a friend, and just press on it, and then also that's gonna give you few tokens as well, or meme points. Once you do that, all your points gonna add up, and just go through all of the steps, and you're going to be able to get yourself a little over 11,000 meme points. And this is pretty much it. Good luck to everybody, and hopefully we'll get a decent airdrop from MemeLand.